Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shambhavi and thank you all so much for tuning in. Today's video, I'm going to be recreating this look of Priyanka Chopra. I hope you guys can see. And I think she got ready for Bulgari's event and she was looking absolutely gorgeous. It's sort of like a copper, bronzy sort of a makeup look. And the reason why I really wanted to recreate it is not just because the makeup look was amazing, but also the outfit that she's wearing. I have something a little similar with me. So I thought, let me take a full advantage of that. So yeah, guys, anyways, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Okay, so first and foremost, if my skin is looking dull, it's because I just did another makeup look like just now. So I just like removed my previous makeup. I did a little bit of skincare and everything. So if my skin is looking a little more dull, it's because of that, and also because I've gotten viral fever. And since the past 10-15 days, yeah, my health is just like up and down, and even today, like, I'm not feeling that great. But since I have taken a long gap, I have so many videos lined up. I'm feeling like I have to go and take a nap right now. There's a lot of pending work. So but anyways, makeup makes me feel better, and also this makeup look is really fun. As I've already mentioned, I've done my skincare, and yes, my skin is acting up a little bit. As you all can see, I've got some acne, I've got some redness. So the first step is, of course, using a primer, and for today's primer I'm going to be using this Lineage Glowy Makeup Serum. This has been my current favorite primer to use. It just gives such a nice, like, soft slip so that my foundation can glide on easily. Wow, look at that glow, you guys. This serum is so nice. It just makes my skin so juicy, and it also makes my makeup last longer. So I really love using this primer. So anyways, moving on to my foundation, I'm going to be using this MAC Studio Fix foundation, and I'm in the shade NC42. Again, another one of my cult favorite products. Yeah, so it doesn't look like her skin is too dewy, nor it's like completely matte. It's just like a demi matte finish, and this is the perfect foundation to wear. I'm just going to take almost like a pump. I was going to dot it all around my face like that. I'm first going to blend it out with the help of a brush, and then I'm going to use a makeup sponge. So just buff this into the skin. This is a really good foundation. It also gives a nice medium to almost full coverage, and if you want, you can completely, like, you can also build it up to give a full coverage effect, and I really like it. And whatever is remaining, I'm just going to apply on my ears as well. Okay, so before jumping on to the concealer, I forgot to use my lenses. These are from the brand called as Anma Beauty, and I'm just going to apply. In the picture, I don't know if you guys can make out, but I feel like Priyanka is wearing brown contact lenses. See, there's not a huge difference, but you can still make out from this side to this side. Okay, so for my concealer today, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. You guys, I absolutely love this concealer so much. It is amazing, and I am in the shade Sand. This particular shade is just a tad bit lighter for me, and it's perfect to, also give a little bit of a highlighting effect for my face. I'm just going to apply this like this on underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to allow it to settle down for a bit. So while that's happening, next I'm going to take some, eyebrow pomade. So this is a MAC Fluid Line brow gel cream, and it's in the shade Deep Dark Brunette. So that's how it looks like. Again, I absolutely love this product very much. I recently used this, and I, once again fell in love with how beautiful this product is. First, I'm going to, like, brush out my brows, and then I'm going to fill them in. So my eyebrows are done, and now with the help of this Morphe M335 brush, I'm just going to blend out my concealer. So allowing your concealer to settle down for a bit helps to give more coverage and also makes it more creamier. Okay, so now using a beauty sponge, I'm just going to blend further. And to set everything in place, I'm going to take my Huda Beauty banana powder and I'm going to apply this with the help of this pack puff. And I'm only going to apply the powder on the areas where I crease, which is underneath my eyes and also around my nose. And whatever is remaining, I'm just going to take it on the rest of my face like that. Okay, so next for my bronzer, I'm going to take this Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm just going to bronze my face. And it looks like, Priyanka has really nice like a bronzer moment going on. So I'm just going to apply with the same brush. Okay, and next for my blush, I'm going to be using this Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. So this blush looks very similar to the one that Priyanka is wearing. So let's apply. So moving on to my eyes, I'm going to take this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm just going to be using this warm tone shades to create this look today. Okay guys, so first with a big fluffy brush, I'm going to take this shade right over here. Okay. And next I'm going to take this rusty brown sort of a color and I'm just going to apply that again on my crease and also on my outer V. Just take it all the way up to your inner corners like that and also blend it out. And I'm going to take the same shade and apply on my lower lash line as well. So next I'm going to be taking this warm shade on a small fluffy brush and this is Morphe's M507 and I'm just going to intensify my outer crease. And next I'm going to take this bronzy shade on a flat shader brush and apply this all over my inner corners. So next I'm going to take the Kieros waterproof soft matte eyeliner pen and this is in the shade number 01 Carbon Black. It is a very intense black liner as you all can see and it has really nice felt tip and it gives a precise of an application. And I'm just going to apply this near my lash band. She doesn't have any wing liner or anything, so I'm just gonna stop right over here. And for my lower lash line, I'm gonna be using this Kiro's High Define Soothing Eyeliner, and this in the shade number 02 Earth Brown. Again, if you guys can see from the pictures, it looks like Priyanka has like brown kajal on her lower lash line, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna apply this on my lower lash line. And this particular kajal just glides on like butter. I absolutely love this so much. It is very pigmented and it just like glides on so easily. It doesn't look like Priyanka has any false eyelashes. So I'm just going to curl my lashes and then I'm just going to apply some mascara. This is the sample of Huda Beauty's mascara. This provides both volume and length to my lashes, so I really like it, especially when I'm not wearing any falsies. It just gives like a false lash effect. Now I'm just going to use the lengthening side. That completes my eye makeup look. Now lastly, let's move on to my lips. And for my lips today, I'm going to be using the Kiro's Airy Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nutmeg Nude. This is a very pretty color and it looks like, you know, Priyanka has something very similar to this. So let me just apply. They're extremely comfortable on the lips. They're very lightweight and also they're non-transfer proof. And these are one of the most affordable, like comfortable liquid lipsticks in the market. I absolutely love them. So that lip shade is such a perfect color and I think this is the exact shade that Priyanka also had. In some of the pictures it looks a little more dark, in some of the pictures it looks a little more nude. Because of the lighting and editing and stuff, you know, it can look a little different, but I feel like this is something that, you know, is very similar to the one that Priyanka had on her lips. So now I'm just going to do my hair. So next, to curl my hair, I'm going to be using this Alan Truman, you know, hair curler. Now, I'm first going to spray my hair using this Be Blunt Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist. Just like spray it on my hair. So that completes today's video, guys. I'm back with, you know, I'm wearing this blazer from Only. I think I got this like 2 years back for my birthday, and this particular choker is from AliExpress. Again, I'm going to link all the products down below in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. And yeah, guys, that completes my Priyanka Chopra Jonas inspired makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. And as I always say, keep slaying. Bye, guys.